guys, what's up? This is Dakota. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a professional quality Flappy Bird clone in Unity. I've seen a few tutorials on this, but none of them are, they're not very good. They're buggy and they don't look great. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make one that looks good. Okay, so what I've done so far is I just dragged in my scripts. I mean my assets that I'm using. I made a folder for scripts. I have the art, which I'll be linking in the description. I changed it to a sprite. Went to the sprite editor and I cut everything out, which you should probably know how to do that if you're watching this. And I have the font, which this is the font for Flappy Bird. Okay, so for the first episode, I'm gonna be setting up the animator, which is used to change your the character at the beginning. He can change a color. Okay, so what you need to do is create a animator controller, name it whatever you want. And then create a folder for animations. And create an animation for each of the birds. I think there are 3. I think we might need to make the character first. Okay, so create the character, well, the object for the character. Just gonna put him on 0. Add in, go to miscellaneous and grab the animator and apply the player to the controller. Now we should be able to drag in all 3 of these animations. There we go. Now we can add the animations to it. So just take your animations, drag them in, and it'll make an animation for you. You can change, I usually put the samples on 24. You can see down the bottom right what it'll look like when you play. So I'll change it to the samples to 30, 35. See how fast it runs. That's better. Okay, do that for all 3 of these. And the reason we're doing this is normally what you would use to change between idling and running or attacking animations, but I found this is a good way to change the player, an easy way to do it on a simple game like this that only has 1 animation. He only has 1, so you don't need to change between walking and idle. All you need to do is change between the different animations of the colored birds. Otherwise, you have to change the objects out, and it's unnecessary for this game. Okay, and then you need to make a transition between all of them to each other. So what this means is bird 3 can go to bird 1 and bird 2 and so on. They can all change into each other. And we'll make a parameter, an int, which we'll just call player choose. And we'll set it to 1. So what we'll do in script is we'll set each of these. Okay, so we'll set this player choose to 1, 2, or 3. And what you do is you go to the conditions. If it equals 1, bird 3 will transition to bird 2. You have to go on these transition line things. So if it's on bird 3 and player choose equals 1, it'll change to bird 1. And if you basically do that for all of these. Okay, so let me see if I got this right. Nope, I got those backwards. So 3, 2, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so that should be right. I tried before to make it go, any state could go to any of these, but the animations didn't work right. They bugged out, I don't know why. So this is the way I found how to do this one. Okay, so we've done that.